morning, y'all, and welcome to day 13 of Vlogmas. If you can hear that pulsing in the background or humming or whatever it sounds like to you, that's my dishwasher going. This is my third time recording this. Something keeps happening. The lights were flickering, things are being weird. My nose started running. It's real life around here. Real life, dishwasher going, lights flickering. It's what it is. We are halfway through Advent, and yeah, it's December 12th, and about 9:40 in the morning. Yesterday I was running behind. I did wake up again late today. Another cold day. Can't quite get myself out of bed when it's that cold, but I decided to go ahead and get the things done this morning. I need to get done before I popped the camera on and did my Advents, because yesterday I rewarded myself before I did anything. So today I made sure that, I'm sorry, I can see Artemis inspecting the painting we did yesterday of those drawers. Yeah, I've lost my train of thought already. Yeah, so I got my grocery list made and all of that. I'm going to head out and try to knock that out this morning and then start the laundry when I get back. I don't like to run the laundry when I'm running the dishwasher. They both have the same drain. So yeah, there's just too much water going through one drain. Real life, real life. Let's open some Advents and get on with this. I'm hoping today goes smoother than yesterday. I hope I get some things made. I've already organized some stuff in the Etsy shop. I've got another video that should be going up today. It should be up already. Well, I haven't scheduled it, but I'm uploading it to hopefully go up this evening. So there's actually an art video in there, and maybe I'll have some more. I know I've got a junk journal page I had done. But this was just a card making session I did a couple weeks ago that was kind of fun, using my crafty oat prompts. So let's open some Advents. We'll start with my Arteza. It's halfway through, y'all. I can't believe I still have, 12 more after this. I think that's right. If my math, I'm pretty sure I can do the maths. Okay, so 12 right here. So I am going to go ahead and punch, and this is kind of a long rectangular one here, much like yesterday's. If you saw yesterday's video, then you possibly saw that a little sneak when I was doing my Care December of the paper that I put that gold acrylic paint that got on my finger yesterday, my oopsie. Then you saw that. Oh, this is interesting. I don't know. We're gonna pull this out. This is some kind of marker. Let's see. Oh, I didn't hear that right. Chrome marker silver. All right. That's got a nice paint penny sound. So yeah, it says Arteza Chrome Ink marker. So let's open the top. We'll look at it, and then we'll get to Nina's. So let's see. Will this? Yep, that's a nice fat paint pen marker. It says bullet nib, and it's alcohol based. So alcohol based, interesting. That can be fun to play with. I hope it is nice and shiny like this is. Yeah, that's fun. All right, so day 12 with Nina, it's got another mushroom on the tag. So here's my 12. And here is another awesome mushroom. Oh, Nina knows me. Look at this sparkle candy cane. Nina Fickett and I decided to do a mixed media Advent swap, and so this is what that is. I don't know what today's going to be. We have 4 categories. Yesterday, what did she give me? Oh, it was handmade yesterday. So we'll see what we have today. Open this. It's a tiny thing, so we'll see. And then I'll tell you what I sent Nina. And you'll have to go over to Nina's Instagram to see what I sent her. That's where she's sharing, but I'll have links to her Instagram below. Oh, this says Tim Holtz on it. I haven't bought any of these for myself yet. I've been resisting. It's the Tim Holtz mushrooms, y'all. Toadstools, that's what he calls them, y'all. I have resisted buying these, and I'm kind of glad because this is such a big happy. Oh my gosh, today was a good haul today again. Every day's been such a happy. Now I have to figure out what I'm going to do with them. So many possibilities. And there are 3 of them. That's 3 different projects if I stretch them out. Thank you, Nina. What did I send Nina? I sent her, it was I believe it's handmade is what I put it in the category of. It's some labels. I wish I thought I had a sample one, but basically book plant labels, or I don't know, they're 3D labels that you can insert a tag into and like put on the face of a journal, or even on a journal page, or the front of a little drawer or something. Yeah, I had 2 different styles, and one more ornate and one more simple. And I'm thinking one of each style in a 1/16 inch wood, and then the rest in cereal boxes. So it was upcycled. And they're fully customizable, and I sent her some brads also that fit into them so they can be attached because they've got holes in them. So hopefully, if you'll head over to Nina's, I also sent little templates of what fits in them. So if you'll head over to Nina's Instagram, you should be able to see those, because I was pretty proud of those. I designed them myself, cut them out on the laser cutter, glued them together, tested everything out. So they were handmade. It was, I had some help from the laser cutter, but I can't wait to make myself some. I haven't even done that yet. So I feel like I've got one that I ended up keeping because I messed up on it somehow, but I don't know where I put it. If I find it, I will show you. Also, speaking of handmade, check out my earrings. My friend Christine made these and sent me these last year, maybe the year before. Aren't they fun? I've got these in the silver here, and then a pair in traditional green that she sent me. Aren't they precious? It's time for some seasonal jewelry, y'all. They match my tree. So, all right, let's see what today holds. I'm gonna get to, I think, grocery shopping so that I can, and Pat, let's see, no, today's Tuesday. Yes, so Pat has band practice tomorrow. So, let's get to the day before it gets away from us again. I feel like I'm running ahead today, so that's a good thing. I'm about to mark off shopping off my list. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. The video that I want to go up soon, I need to get the description and all right for that. I've done the laundry. I don't think I need to do the trash today, and I need to defrost some pork chops, and then I will probably see, I'm just talking out loud to y'all. I am so sorry. I do want to go down my Christmas list, and I feel like I want to go do a bunch of stocking stuffer shopping. That's hard to say. Stocking stuffer shopping. I definitely can't do it fast. Tell me if you can. But I don't think that's gonna happen today. I need a full day where I haven't already run out, so I'm not feeling it today. And I need to kind of get my head around what I have bought. I've got a couple of, I just thought of something I need to get my mom for Christmas, so I'd like to maybe get that ordered. And I'm still struggling with a couple of fun things for my nieces. So if you see this and you know of something fun that maybe girls in their early 20s, that are adults living on their own, might like, let me know. I keep seeing stuff for my older niece, but she and I are very much alike. The younger niece, she, I don't know. It's not that we're not alike. We are alike at times, but a lot of the things I would think to get her, I've already gotten her before. So it's like, I can't, I'm struggling. And she wants like stuff for her house. So I'm trying to think of things that are both fun, that she will be excited about, and can also get some use out of. So it's just anyway. All right. Well, hopefully get some stuff done. I want to get those cards for the Etsy shop done here before too long. My email is overflowing. So, yeah, I'm going to try to get some work done so I can maybe get to some fun things. Care December again. And this, yeah, today doesn't feel very Christmassy, I don't think. So, we'll see. We'll see what the day holds. What am I making tonight? Oh, I'm making one of my favorite things for dinner tonight. So that'll be nice. Yeah. Comfort food. I'm in the craft room. Hey, and I am settling, gluing up master boards to make more thank you cards for my Etsy shop. So these are still feel very damp. So I've got one more I'm going to do. I just used some really cheap sketch paper for the vase. I'm not super happy with it currently, but I think it will work beautifully when I go to glue it onto the card. So it'll be thin enough that it's not going to restrict the card any or something like that. So I've got one more sheet that I cut down that I'm going to make a master board. And what I'm doing, once I glue it down, I'm using this because it was on my desk, which is fluid matte medium. I've got a big jar that I'll refill this one with later. But because it's on my desk, I was like, yeah, we'll just use that. So I've got that. And then just papers. There were papers on my desk. I have my scrap papers. And I'm starting with larger papers, sticking them down. I had some kind of Chinese newspaper maybe, or Japanese, probably Japanese, and starting with that because it's bigger and then gluing things down. I don't know. So I need to go get my thing for the overhead camera so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Once those are dry, I will add some marks, maybe a couple swashes of pants and things like that. Nothing over the top, just kind of adding some layers to it so that it's just a simple background when I go to cut it down for cards. So that's right now. I might do some stamping on it. That could be really fun. Yeah, so that's the plan, yo. Still in the craft room. I've taken breaks. I've had my 30-minute timer going and gotten up and taken Zoe out, working on the laundry, doing the things I'm supposed to be doing, but it just went off and I'm like, I don't want to stop because I have started, and I don't even think I've turned the camera on for it. I've started my Care December for today. So I may pop the camera on here in a minute. It's currently a mess, but that's how it goes. Today's prompt, I think, from them is New Moon. No. I'll clean that up. So that the prompt today is New Moon, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know, digging through my supplies, trying to figure out what I want to do for that prompt, and realizing that it's a bigger mess in here than I knew it was. Everything's getting away from me. So anyway, I'm going to work on this while I can. And, yeah, and then, but like I said, my timer just went off, so I need to get up. I don't want to heat dry what I have going on here because I used some embossing powder yesterday, and I'm afraid of reheating that to the point that it'll melt and all the pages will stick together. So maybe I do need to walk away for a minute. I'll go look at my list and see what else I need to do, or maybe make a list of what other Christmas presents I've bought, or maybe list something on Etsy. So lists, I will do something with lists perhaps, but I'll pop y'all on in a minute to show you what's going on this page. Very blue page. I may have to integrate some other color at some point because I've added black and white to the others, but none of like the yellow ochre that Kasha recommended having. And I do love a good, oh, I did use some brown. I used a coffee on like day one, but I don't know. I'll get back to it in a minute. So I'm just kind of like, there's so many things I need to do, but I'm trying to do what's good for my soul, right? That's what Care December is about. That's what arting is about. So we'll see what happens with this. Like I said, I'm gonna let it air dry and come back to it in a few minutes. Patience. I don't have